Alright, y'all. Hey, look, this next one we going to, I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of biased on, man. Um, because I love this place. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I might be a little biased in my judging. A lot of people probably ain't gonna agree, but I love this place. All right, we about to go to Crowns. Crowns Chicken on Melrose Avenue. That's where we about to go today. All right. So if you from Roanoke, man, you know this. This is a staple in the city, man. You know where I'm at. Whether you choose to like it or not, you know where I'm at. You hear me? And I love it here. Hey, let me get the I'm gonna get the 3-piece with the biscuit
Okay.
and potato salad for my side.
Okay. Are you to go?
Huh?
Are you to go?
To go.
Okay.
And I want order chicken gizzards too.
Okay. Give me one of the chicken gizzard, please. Okay.
All right, y'all, I'm back. All right. So I got me, as y'all heard, 3-piece chicken, got 2 thighs and a leg, only like dark meat. With a biscuit, side of potato salad, and some chicken gizzards. This is what I usually always get. I don't never go wrong with this. All right. All right. We got the potato salad. Mm. Potato salad is definitely it. I'm trying to tell you. I love it. I'm loving it. Mm. It's like that potato salad you get when you go to church service. Oh, dang, I just brought the potato salad. It's that church service potato salad. Y'all know y'all go to church after service and they got the little food afterwards. That's what that is right there. Mm-hmm. God. All right, we got the. My bad for the potato salad. I'm gonna rate it about a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. It ain't your grandma's potato salad. Like I said, it's the church potato salad. All right. So then we got the chicken. You hear me? Let me move the biscuit out the way. The biscuit is soft. Oh my gosh, look at that. Then you got your chicken, nice and crispy. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Hold on, I'm about to. Hey, these braces problems. If y'all don't understand, y'all don't understand. If we do, then you know what I'm going through. Mm. Mm. This biscuit here. Mm. I gotta have my drink. Y'all know I gotta have my sip, right? If you wanna keep ginger ale in it, I know you lying. I might get another soda. There we go. If you want to keep me ginger ale in business, it's me. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Biscuit, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Man, let me go ahead and get to this chicken. You hear me? Move my little biscuit out the way. Let me see that right here. You know you gotta get the hot sauce, right? Mm. You gotta pour that up on there. Ugh. Now listen, y'all gotta listen to the crunch. I'm trying to tell you. Mm. Mm. Just listen to it. Just listen to it. Mm. Mm. And if you want to take it to another level, this is what I'll be doing. I'll be taking it. I'll be dipping it in the potato salad. Mm. 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 I got the thigh too, y'all. I got the thigh. Hold up. Oh, we got stuck in. Don't even worry about it. I'm gonna finish you off. Look, crunch. Look, crunch. You hear crunch? Crunch is like that.
Goodies. Fine, curvy. Chicken, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Nah, I ain't even got a hassle on my chin. I gotta excuse me. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. I got one more thigh in there, but I'm gonna get back to that. I'm about to see what these gizzards talking about. You know I gotta pull out another hot sauce. I'm about to show you what these gizzards looking like. Oh my gosh. Look at the gizzards. My goodness. I'm about to. Mm, 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 mm. Trying to tell y'all, I love crowns. People be talking about crowns, saying they don't like crowns. I love crowns. Mm, mm. I love crowns. Chicken gizzards. Look. Chicken gizzards be hitting. I mean, you know what I do the spice of my life, right? Mm-hmm. Take the gizzard and go right here with it. Mm. Gizzard, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 with the gizzards. Gizzards, 9 out of 10. Every time it's a missile. Torch. Every time. Torch. You hear me? Listen. For y'all wrong note, torch mean that's like that. You hear me? If you hear me say I'm torch, I mean it's like that. It's torch. It ain't good. It's I almost choked. It's torch. Look, talking too fast. That don't torch though. I ain't gonna hold you. Mm. Y'all, go to Crowns, y'all. Go to Crowns. Don't judge me. I know I'm looking crazy. I ain't even been asleep from work yet. I woke up overnight. But don't judge me. Follow me to Clowns. We all go ahead and do that thing, man. Be easy.